Drain clogging doesn't usually happen all of a sudden. There are often telltale signs of soon-to-be clogs present in your bathroom or kitchen sink. Some symptoms include slower drainage of water and the need to plunge the toilet or sinks more and more. Using a professional drain cleaning service can help keep these problems at bay and enable you to save considerable money in the long run. Call BroadRiver Plumbing. 843-271-6336. Visit us online. www.broadriverplumbing.com. Sewer and drain cleaning repair can be overwhelming, and that is all right. BroadRiver Plumbing will provide excellent service as we are well skilled and established. Look no further than getting in touch with us for all your plumbing services. Get your drains fixed today with the best sewer and drain cleaning repair or replacement in Bluffton, South Carolina. Call BroadRiver Plumbing. 843-271-6336.